Hello everyone, and in today's video I am actually going to be roasting and of course praising other people's YouTube automation cash cow channels. So hopefully by watching this video you'll be learning some techniques and strategies that you can apply to your own channel as well, and I will try my best to be as critical as possible and not just say, hey, those thumbnails are bad or your niche is bad, but try to bring more insightful feedback so that you guys can apply it to your very own channels as well. So let's get started. Now, if you're wondering where to get to kind of appear on the next roasting video, do follow me on Instagram at the YouTubist John for when I open up spots for the next channel roast. And surprisingly, there were a lot of people who wanted their channels reviewed, but I just chose that randomly, a handful of them. But if you want your channel reviewed, follow me on Instagram, the YouTubist John, and when I post my story about accepting YouTube channel reviews, do send me a direct message. So the first channel we're going to be looking at is Sky DeFi, and it looks like it's a decentralized finance. So when it comes to the very first thing, the niche, it's about crypto, Web3, DeFi. Nothing wrong with the niche, but I do preach a lot within my students that crypto stocks, make money online, NFTs, DeFi, all of those niches, in my opinion, are very, very hard to grow in. I'm not saying it's impossible to grow in, but I am going to say that it's quite difficult to actually gain traction in. I have seen crypto channels not work more than I have do work, and that's going to be quite exemplified within this video. But overall, we have 69 videos posted, 15 videos posted within the last 30 days, which means that this individual is posting every other day. So props to them. But the past 30 days, they've only gotten 2,500 views. Oh, and by the way, I got permission from all these individuals to review their channels, but let's go and look at it. Overall, the thumbnails, they're okay. You know, they've got a lot going on. They got text, they got a lot buy now, X times 10, a bear. They got a big blob of text. So there is a lot going on. So if you've watched my other video talking about how to optimize your title, thumbnail, and description, when it comes to optimizing the thumbnail, you want to keep it simple. I feel like there's a lot going on in these thumbnails, but I ultimately don't think that the thumbnail is the reason why this channel quote unquote isn't working. If we click on their videos and then organize it by most popular, let's kind of see what's gained traction before. So at some point they tried how to make money online, and keep in mind, I haven't actually watched any of these videos, but I am going to assume that this is organic traffic or organic marketing that was occurred, and hopefully this individual didn't buy views to their videos. But overall, it looks like they kind of took a twist, which is nothing wrong. But again, as I mentioned before, make money online, crypto, DeFi, NFTs, Web3, those are really hard niches to grow in my opinion. But overall, it looks like they started, let's see, about a year ago. Not much traction. So what would I do if I had this channel? And I'm a little biased, okay? But as I've said, I've seen a lot more types of these channels not work than I have do work. The first thing I do, I would switch niches, honestly. As sad to say, niches of like this one, I feel really bad when people go into this niche just because, you know, as much as me personally, I love crypto, I love NFTs, Web3, it's great, I support it. I just don't see it working a lot. And the reason why I think is because I'm looking at these videos very briefly and there is a lot of stock footage being used. So about a couple months back, my team and we reviewed probably 400 videos and their analytics. And what we found was that people, they don't really stay magnetized or they don't really stay watching stock footage clips. And the reason why is because they don't really relate. Now, compare that when we're actually using footage of like sports gameplay or TV shows, or actually faces of celebrities, things that we actually recognize and can connect with. But look at this stock footage here. It's a stock footage of a random business meeting going on. Do you kind of see the disconnection that can possibly occur when people are talking about crypto and we're seeing stock footage? It's not really that connective. I do think that's part of the reason why stock footage is hard to work. Now, I'm not saying stock footage clips are not capable of going viral, because they most certainly are. But when it comes to the crypto, DeFi, make money online, stocks, market, real estate, the audience, they're very smart. They're very, very smart. They're very intelligent. And knowing that type of audience, I just believe like seeing stock footage, there's some sort of disconnection on there. On top of that, when it comes to talking about making money online, I mean, how often do you take make money online advice or, you know, quote unquote financial advice, which you shouldn't be taking financial advice from non-financial advisors, all right? And by all means, it's not financial advice. How often do you take advice from people who aren't showing their face? that is the biggest thing that I've kind of realized when it comes to channels like this. Top 5 crypto under $1 that will explode in 2022. How likely are you going to take this guy's opinion who's not even showing their face compared to actual YouTubers where there's a direct eye-to-eye connection? Think about Graham Stephan, or Andrew Jick, Charlie Chang. Those people, there's eye-to-eye connection. There's that relation, there's relation building. But when it comes to stock footage like this, there's a huge disconnection going on, I believe. So as far as what I would do, I personally would switch niches. Or if you're going to start a channel like this, start a film channel. Honestly, talk about it, show your face, make a one-to-one connection with your audience. That's what I would do, right? Moving on to the next channel, we have Coach Dom Costa. So this is a short channel. It doesn't really follow under the YouTube automation channel, but there's some things that we can learn here. Number one is that your titles have got to be a lot more appealing. Without a doubt, I don't think the number is important at all. Scratch the number, stop putting the number on there. That doesn't really resonate with people. So what we're talking about here is that we're talking about putting yourself in your audience shoes, really thinking about what is going to get your audience to click. So when it comes to this YouTube channel, the YouTube channel art, it's very simple. Coaching about sports and entrepreneurship, that is perfect. But when I'm looking at your videos, you know, save the hashtags for like somewhere else, maybe in your description at the end of your title. You have to start creating your titles that are a lot more creative than this. I know without a doubt that the content they're creating is excellent, but for anyone, titling your videos, these numbers, they're not the main focus. Titling your videos 264, 263, especially at the beginning of your video, is not the way to do it. You gotta start with more creative appeal, I feel like. So without a doubt, titling, you gotta focus on it more. You gotta really learn how to title your videos. I have a video that talks about how to optimize your video, which I think you can benefit a lot from. One thing I also do want to mention is that these YouTube shorts, find someone, hire someone, post them on Instagram Reels if you're not doing that already. Also post them on TikTok Reels if you're not doing that already. One last note that I want to make when it comes to this here, short videos work really well when you can loop them. And so what I mean by that is that it looks like the video is never ending and it just loops in an endless, infinite. Basically the ending of the video connects at the beginning of the video. So that's what I found works very well on TikTok Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. But without a doubt, I applaud you for posting a lot of videos, honestly. I think the next step though is that you've got to optimize your titles, make them a lot more appealing. Because when I see something like Another Load of Steel, How to Make Money, number 264, really change that up and come up with a more creative title. Again, no one, you know, with all due respect, cares that you've posted 264 shorts. I applaud you for doing so, but at the same time, creativity will triumph all your titles that you've created so far. So if this was my channel, what I would do, I would ask for help to kind of retitle all these old videos, but only videos that are currently in the algorithm. Videos that you've already posted, I mean, if you have the extra time, I would go ahead and retitle it. But moving forward, definitely start titling your videos. Now, the third channel we're going over is another crypto channel called Going Crypto. They've posted 23 videos and looks like they're posting every 3 days roughly. But even so, again, not a lot of traction on the videos, okay? I do think the thumbnails are mediocre. I have seen better thumbnails. Like on the red text, it's a lot of text and it's hard to read. It doesn't really work well. Same thing with the Bitcoin in 2022, hard to read. Staking, hard to read. When it comes to crypto channels, again, this is another example of a channel that I've seen quote unquote not work when it comes to joining the crypto niche. I just really find it hard to resonate with individuals unless you're just spitting out really good knowledge and really good value. I find it very hard to grow a crypto channel without showing your face or offering extreme value. So when it comes to these crypto channels, I've seen them not work more than I have do work, sadly. I mean, look at 4 views, 20 views, nothing really gaining traction, 350 views. I feel like that's not enough big of an outlier. So this individual is about 24 videos in. First thing I would do, rethink your niche. Honestly, I have a video that goes over how to choose a niche. Anyone who's watching this is also in crypto and not really finding that traction. Rethink your niche. Think about something else possibly, just because, again, taking advice from a crypto channel who doesn't show their face, and also, you know, with all due respect, the knowledge or value isn't exactly there, that's going to be very tough to grow. All right. Now, moving on to the next channel, we have another crypto channel, 51 videos, posting 7 times a month. So that's about 4 times every 4 days. Again, this one's got a little bit more traction, but really not so much. You know, 60 views. It's not going to absolutely, you know, make life-changing money, sadly. And again, tying my advice to my previous advice on the other channels, go with a different niche in my opinion. Unless you're willing to show your face, or the value of your content is extremely good. I mean, looking at the videos, you know, we got the metaverse, which is NFTs, the central land footage, which is good. It's relatable. Without a doubt, it's relatable. But even so, yeah, this is the third channel that we've gone over for a review. And next time I'll probably not review so many crypto channels, but by showing you guys this, it just hopefully makes you think there's other niches you could possibly go into that I'm sure you're interested in. Again, watch my video on how to choose a niche. I feel like crypto, stocks, make money online, those are the front runners that people are flocking to. And unless you're gonna have the best possible video, the best possible crypto videos, the best possible NFT videos or Web3 videos, I'm trying to encourage you to think otherwise. Maybe you should go into a different niche, honestly. So what I would do, again, change niche. Some more background, things that I'm guilty of. I've tried a crypto channel before. I've really tried it. It just wasn't working, and I switched niches, went into sports because I love sports a lot more. I know sports a lot more, and it worked out very well. Now, the last channel is football reveals, and this is like a cardinal rule. They've posted 4 times. You definitely just need to post a lot more, and your frequency is a little off. You know, 1 month ago, 3 weeks ago, 10 days ago, 5 days ago. 1 per week is okay, but we can learn a lot from these 4 videos, all right? 8 facts about the FIFA World Cup you're still unaware of. First off, grammatical error. Also, there's a lot going on in the thumbnail, real worth. I'm not sure who's creating your thumbnails, but they do need to read correctly. And same thing with your titles. 8 facts about the FIFA World Cup you still aren't aware of. I don't do emojis, take the emoji out. Something like this, first goal in FIFA World Cup, Messi, Cristiano, Pio. I'm not sure. I guess you're trying to add keywords there, etc. Optimize your titles for creative appeal, honestly. So when it comes to titling your videos, really think about what worked well to kind of get people to click on your videos. Again, this is like a titling problem I see here. Top 20 players last World Cup. I don't really understand the thumbnail, but the title says top 20 football players who are playing their last World Cup. Okay, that makes more sense. Without a doubt, the videos are very short, also 1 minute 30. If you're gonna make short videos, either make them 3 to 5 minutes long or over 8 minutes long, or make them under 60 seconds long so it can categorize as a reel. This channel here definitely needs a lot of work. I think you should watch my YouTube channel to kind of understand what model of YouTube you're getting into, because this right here, it's definitely not it. You know, you can make shorter videos and see what traction you can get from posting them related to trending news. That's a route. So a route that I've seen work is people are posting shorter videos that are very good in keywords within the title and very good thumbnails. And once that video works, let's pretend that this video here worked. Paulo Dybala. If a 3-minute video worked with him, let's pretend this video got like over 10,000 views. I would start posting more Paulo Dybala videos that are a bit longer. So it's a good strategy that I've seen work with students, where they start with posting shorter videos, and then whatever gains traction, that's when they start posting longer videos. But even so, without a doubt, check more videos on my YouTube channel to kind of understand what's a good thumbnail, what's a good title, and what's a good actual topic to create a video on. But this channel is way too small to kind of actually pull any meaningful data from, but your first 4 videos, hopefully that helps. So if you want to learn more strategies to help you grow your YouTube channel, make sure to watch this video next to learn more what you can do for your very own channel so that it can get its videos to go viral.